Hi everyone, welcome back to Ibiza Solutions. If you're an Amazon FBA seller, you might have come across the term unfulfillable inventory today. We're going to talk about what it is and the options you have for dealing with it. To manage your unfulfillable inventory, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. From the drop-down menu, select Fulfillment by Amazon. To edit the unfulfillable inventory action, go to the Automate Unfulfillable settings located just below the FBA Returns Evaluations Ownership Settings section. Here you can choose what to do with your unfulfillable inventory. You have the option to either select Return or Dispose. I have selected Dispose option. You can also edit the value recovery options and set the scheduled time frame for either returning or disposing of the inventory. First, if you're an FBA seller, you need to enable the automated unfulfillable settings. Let's go ahead and edit these settings by clicking on the Edit button. Now, enable the automated unfulfillable settings and proceed to enroll in the value recovery options. It is not possible to opt out of the automated unfulfillable settings. Under the value recovery options, you have three choices to recover the product's value: refurbishment, grade and resell, and liquidations. You can read here more about the value recovery options for a detailed explanation. To help you understand them better, you can easily follow this flow chart. After considering all these options, Amazon will prompt you to remove any remaining unfulfillable inventory. Here, you can choose to either return or dispose of the inventory. In both cases, Amazon will apply a fee. If you select the return option, you'll need to provide a valid address to receive the unfulfillable inventory. For now, I am choosing the dispose option. You can check the removal fee details via the link provided in the description. Review and click Save. So, to summarize, you have two main options for dealing with unfulfillable inventory: return or dispose. Each option has its own costs and benefits, so choose the one that best suits your business needs. I hope this video helps you manage your FBA unfulfillable inventory more effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Amazon seller tips and tutorials.